Hello friends, welcome to the Historical Highlight channel. Today, we will be discussing one of the central figures in Greek mythology, Prometheus. Prometheus was one of the Titans, known as the bringer of fire. By stealing fire from the gods and giving it to humans, he shaped human civilization and culture. This heroic act made Prometheus one of the most significant characters in Greek mythology. But let's delve deeper into this story. Prometheus was a Titan, meaning one of the primeval mythical creatures who ruled before the Olympians. He was recognized for his wisdom and foresight, always thinking about protecting humans. When Zeus, the king of the gods, decided to take fire away from humans, Prometheus could not accept this unjust act. He infiltrated the gods' heaven, stole a flame of fire, and returned it to humans. This enabled humans to create tools, cook food, and even comfort each other with the light of fire in dark nights. Fire also allowed the creation of metals, heating, and even transportation. But this action had a heavy price for Prometheus. Zeus chained him to Mount Caucasus, where an eagle would eat his liver every day. This torture would regenerate each night due to Prometheus' eternal life. But ultimately, Prometheus was freed by the Greek hero, Hercules. Hercules killed the eagle and freed Prometheus from his chains. Prometheus not only reminds us of the power and importance of fire in human development, but also symbolizes the struggle against oppression and the quest for freedom. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this content, please like and follow the channel. We will be back soon with more stories from history and mythology. Until then, goodbye.